Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, Dancehall skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Big up to all of my Dans and Danettes. You see it? I hope that everyone is okay and alright. You see it? Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media, and I have information that I'm going to give to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, first things first, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a man who did not want a certain amount of persons to remove a certain amount of bottles and other things that are considered to be garbage from a place that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video be recorded, viewers and subscribers. And the video also shows a certain amount of persons wearing clothing or uniforms that are marked MPM. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I want you to please bear in mind that in this video you can hear a certain amount of harsh language, and I would like you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me, people. Observe.
Yeah, you know, MPM come from all the back of them now. Got the see the paper up on the wall. I give them a raw sort blood clot. I got the MP send him now. And the boss will say right now, not chat.
The dancehall business do like so. Pack up with people. We'll never pack up with nobody a bomb up like that when show now. Boy, MPM. Fear rat your there, they may clean up this. That's in that road run out of the shop. You think the other to the dancehall gateway?
Yeah, the jump them man that carry go there, yeah. See my phone by fence, they say what happen. Man have a nice house, but nobody don't live with it, you know. It's load. I run it off in a charge.
This one I say never in a video.
So much buckles. Right now the man have named more than 40, a 50,000 allowed to buckle, and the man now wants to sell them bread.
That's over there, sir. I tell you, come on, put out the one.
Them come to the boss and the boss get mad. But they're going to tell you the coach last send them, because the coach are
when the bomber rascal at them both, hey, Oko, if you know the far for this, we could have gone lock you up here. Oko, you know the far for the yard. Come on, lock up to that show you. Well, we lock up to that show you the DSP. Alright.
No, sir. No, people.
You know where you talk about Buckle?
Stop coming in, man.
You live away, sir. You live away, sir. Which name? Alright.
I'm a slam this in your face. I'm tell me I talk.
Alright, cool up. Hold on.
Let's get it.
My people, a whole heap of battle them there, you know. Those are a lot of battles and garbage, you know, viewers and subscribers. That can't help it. Yeah, man, that can't help it, man. I don't see anyone who can tell me for me to believe that there was not or there is not any roach or insect in those battles and garbage right there. So when me see that video in the subscribers, you understand? Because once me see so much battles and garbage one place, me I expect insects, rats, roach and all them things there. Me don't know about nobody else, but me I tell you, that can't help if you're in subscribers. You know, say, me see another video that shows persons removing those bottles and garbage that you see in that video that I just presented to you. I don't know if everything had been removed of your subscribers, but I see another video that shows persons removing those garbage and bottles. So I tell you, you see the man who did not want those bottles and garbage to be removed from that place, the man started to get somewhat upset and angry. And at least one person was aggravated by the way how the man was acting of your subscribers. Someone was saying some things trying to de-escalate the tension. You understand? Yeah, man, me see another video of your subscribers that show some things that happen when those bottles and garbages were being removed and so forth. I don't know if everything had been removed because the video was not really like a long video. You see me I say, and the amount of work I see this, how was what I cleaning me see this on my people, see? Anyways, you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you, see? Yeah, that can't help you. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that 7 police officers who are among 8 police officers who are allegedly believed to be members of a gang that is based within the parish that is known as Clarendon, that's within the country of Jamaica, had been arrested by the police within the country that is known as Jamaica. According to the news article that I read, I got the understanding that 4 police officers was arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica on the 25th of March, the year 2022, during a coordinated operation involving members of the Clarendon Police Division and the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Division. According to the news article that I read, I got the understanding that 3 other police officers was arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica before the 25th of March, the year 2022. And that 1 police officer fled the island, meaning that that police officer left the country that is known as Jamaica. According to the news article that I read, I got the understanding that all 8 police officers are allegedly believed to be members of a gang that is based within the parish that is known as Clarendon, that's within the country of Jamaica, and that the gang goes by the name of Ranko. The news article said that Deputy Commissioner of Police, who goes by the name of Fitz Bailey, said some things about this whole situation, and that 27 gangsters have been identified, 8 of whom are members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Yeah, my people, so me just give you information according to how I get information. And I'm only telling you things according to a news article that I read, viewers and subscribers. As I say, now this whole situation, in my point of view, raises concerns on social media. Yes, this whole situation is being talked about on social media. So me just make you, my viewers and subscribers, know about the news article that I read and about the situation. You can also let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Anyways, with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video has been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I do not know when the video has been recorded. In the video, a man said some things that gave me the understanding that he was protesting and seeking justice for a certain reason. So, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can hear some things that the man said for yourself. You can also let me know what you think, alright? Alright, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
When I purchased the phone around this up, and I bring back the phone because it now works, she got paper spray in my eye. I go report me at station. And when she report me at station, the police lock me up here and tell me that I say $40,000 or 6 months in a jail. You understand me? I say, and then when time she go to court, she tell the judge say, me say me I go burn down and shop. And the judge say me I have to report I say every Tuesday. So me have protest. Justice!
Wow. Well, my people, well, that's his side of the story. Yeah, that's his side of the story, my people. But I like to hear the other side of the story. You understand? Yeah, you know, that's how now we do. That's how now we to know that you go to a store to buy something, and after buying where you buy, it now work, you go back. And but wait, you know, I wonder if he acted aggressive in any way, viewers and subscribers, because let me tell you something, you know, it depends on how you say and do certain things, you know, viewers and subscribers. And so I say, yeah man, if you do and say certain things certain ways, you know, you can make a person feel threatened, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah man, and if a person feel threatened, a person might try to do certain things to defend his or herself, even when you don't really mean nothing. So sometimes how you say certain things to, you know, how you do certain things too. But then again, no, what if he's actually innocent and he did not do anything wrong? Just true, me no want to jump to no conclusion and go say anything wrong. So, me I go left it right here, some people. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And until next time, my name Dancehall Skilla. You big up on yourself, you see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla.